So I did it. Okay, so I uploaded a video for the past 2 weeks, and the result might shock you, yes. But before we get diving about the brutal truth of what really happened, let me take you back to where it all started. Okay.
It all started with scripting my video, looking for a video idea, all of those stuff like that, filming my video, editing my video, and uploading it out there.
2 weeks ago, I decided to be consistent on YouTube because every big YouTuber is preaching about consistency. You need to upload consistency on YouTube. I'm not trying to tell you that consistency means you posting every day, but I just decided to like embark on it, okay, by uploading every day. Let me see what my channel would even be like. Let me see if I'm gonna get boost in my views. If one of my video maybe will just go viral and all of those stuff like that. And before I started that challenge, I'm just going to head over to my YouTube studio for you guys to see how like how my views were. Okay, how many views I had in my content for the past 3 weeks before I actually started my challenge. And after that, I will now take you back to how everything has changed after the challenge. And that's that for that. Please, guys, please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. If you have seen my face for the very first time, now welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to like and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is before, these videos are before I started my challenge. Okay, my, sorry guys, I needed to check my mic if it's still on. So this was before I actually started my weekly uploads. Okay, you can see 27 views for 2 weeks, 23, 35, 34, 61, 90, 107, 121. So this week I wasn't just uploading like every day. All right, so this were my past result that I had before I now decided to like embark on this very particular challenge of uploading every single year. So number one thing about uploading every day is that you should know that consistency is very, very hard to maintain. Yeah, because I know a lot of person might be like, what is she actually talking about? What I'm actually talking about is in the aspect of you filming the video, editing the video, designing your thumbnails, doing your SEO research, all of those stuff like that. Guys, see, if you want to embark on this kind of journey, because I didn't really plan for it, right? So I just decided to like, I can do it. Let me just try it out. If I can stay consistent uploading every day. All right. So I just decided to like give it a try. Okay. So one thing I want you guys to notice that if actually you want to embark on this kind of journey, you need to have a solid plan for yourself. Like you need to plan ahead of time. You need to film as many videos as you can ahead of time so that you won't get burnt out. All right. Before you even say, okay, from next week, I want to start posting every day or 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day for next week. See, have a schedule for yourself. Film video ahead before that time. Edit video ahead before that time. Do your thumbnail, your SEO research. All right. Let everything just be in place so that you will stay consistent in those weeks and you will not get burnout. All right. So I know how tiring it is. Sometimes at night I will just wake up and see this consistency. I need to like keep it up. Let me just see what is going to happen. Okay. I just decided to like give it all it takes. And let me just see at the end of the day what is going to come out and how I'm going to maintain this consistency. But I'm going to tell you the bitter truth. Being consistent is very, very hard. Like, don't let anyone deceive you. It can be a bit simple if you are batch film your video. What I mean by batch filming your video is that maybe you find days in the week that you are less busy, or you can just dedicate 3 days in a week to film your video for that 3 days. Maybe in a day you can film like 3 videos, the other week you can film like 2 videos. Like you understand. So always make sure what you are filming is valuable. The second thing I want to talk about is the brutal truth about growth. I know you might be wondering what happened. Did my channel go viral? Did any of my videos go viral? Did I have all the views, all the subscribers? But here is the bitter truth about everything. All right, I'm not trying to tell you that posting every day makes my channel blow up or one of my videos gone viral, all of those stuff like that. But posting every day has really, really changed my YouTube views, my subscribers count, and everything. I've really, really seen a massive turn up, a massive growth on my YouTube channel. All right, so I'm just going to head over to my YouTube studio for you to see how my analytics is compared to the one I showed you guys earlier on before I actually start off with this very particular challenge. All right, so let's just head straight there. This is my YouTube studio. I click on it. So this my challenge of a thing started from, or it started from, let's say, recommend my videos. All right, this is where it started from. Recommend my video 13 days ago. You can see the views I have. I have 103 views. Then the top secret, the top 7 YouTube channel idea. Get to know me first, question and answer. You have seen what I have, 213 views. Why you must delete YouTube Studio. I think those are one of the most performing videos on my channel so far. I have 183 views. This one I uploaded it 4 days ago. This one I had 167 views. I uploaded this 3 days ago, and the views are still counting. I had 58 views. I uploaded one day ago, and I also had 16 views. This one I posted is 12 hours ago. All right, so I've really seen a massive growth on my YouTube channel in terms of views, in terms of subscribers. All right, so let me take you back to my overview. Okay, you can see that from those periods, all right, from this very period, you can see how my views has increased. All right, you can actually see this by yourself. I think this challenge starts from, I think, fifth or so. You can actually see how my views are skyrocket. Okay, all right, so you can see my top content here. You can see the top content that people are actually watching on my YouTube channel. You can see that my watch time has increased 100% more than previous in more than previous 28 days. You can see that even the subscriber count has actually increased. You can see it right here. All right, so you can actually see my top content, how I got verified, turn on those blah blah blah. Then this real time, these are the videos that people are actually watching in the meantime, like for the past 48 hours. You can see the videos right here. Unlock Facebook monetization better, Facebook new creation, how to make money on Facebook, how I got Facebook blue badge, how to upload videos. All right, so you can see all of this stuff like that. And let me just go back to my dashboard because I want to show you guys something. You can see my subscribers count here. Okay, sorry, let me go back to my content, and let me just click on one of my video, and let's see. Okay, this video, you can see this video performance right here. All right, so you can see that the click-through rate is okay, average view direction, ranking by views. If I click on this drop, then you can see great job. People on YouTube are choosing to watch those video more often than visual. That means this video is actually doing well. Okay, let's just see if YouTube is actually recommending those videos to get to more people. All right, so when I click here, all right, it will still bring me. I'm still going to click on that. So let's just wait. You can see the views I had. My views has skyrocketed. You can see that I watched this video has actually given 7.8 watch hours, and that actually increased. You can see that I have only one subscriber. I'm still grateful. But you can see that YouTube is actually recommending those videos to more viewers. How viewers found this video: YouTube recommendation, YouTube search, channel pages, external order. Okay, you can see the audience retention. You can see all of this stuff like that. Let's look at the reach. Okay, this video get 3.5 thousand impression, 4.1% zero click-through rate, the views and the unique viewers, all of those stuff like that. These are the external side. Okay, these are the search terms that people are actually searching for that makes this my video to pop up. That is why hashtags, or sorry, that is why keyword is very, very necessary. Okay, so you can see the content suggesting this very particular video. All right, you can see the content right here. Let's look at the engagement. You can see my watch time has increased. You can see my average view direction, and let's look at the audience. You can see new audience are watching those videos more often than my subscribe sorry than my old audience. You can see the location that watch this video the more: Nigeria and South Africa, and all of those stuff like that. If I still want to be doing this on some of my videos, it's actually going to take time. But let me just share with this video. You can see this one: why you must delete YouTube Studio. YouTube is actually if you see this YouTube recommendation, know that YouTube is actually recommending your video, right? You can see that YouTube is actually recommending this video to more people. Let's look at the reach. This video has 4.2 thousand impression. Let's look at the click-through rate, the views, the unique viewers, and let's go down. Okay, there's no person that watch from external side. You can see the content suggesting that video. Let's look at the engagement. You can see my watch time. Let's look at the audience. Let's look at the geographical people that watch my video. You can see that the top geographics people that watch this video is United States of America. All right, they watch this video more than my audience in Nigeria. This actually has to do with the time that you actually upload your video. All right, maybe I'm going to make a video on that. So you can see that there's actually a massive turn up on my YouTube studio compared to how it was before. Let's talk about number three, which is the surprising wins. Okay, so even if none of my video like go viral, even if I didn't like go viral, YouTube did not pick one of my videos and I blew up overnight, I've actually learned a lot from the past few weeks that I decided to like uploading every day. I've actually learned a lot. Okay, I became very fast in my editing. Like, even if I was uploading every day, I took my time because I have a lot of videos that I filmed even before I actually started this challenge. Okay, I take time by editing my video, putting some transitions, captions, all those stuff that will spice up people to like feel okay watching my video. I took time to make sure I put all those things in places, guys. So it has really helped, and I really seen more engagement, more watch hours. See, it's even more better than me going viral, because each time that I woke up and I come to my YouTube studio, or I check my studio and I noticed 1 subscribers, I noticed the engagement I had, like I noticed any comment that doesn't come from my loved ones, that doesn't come from anyone I know, that comes from outside there. See, I'm really so happy about it, guys, because it's not easy. Like, it's a thing of joy. So I'm really so glad about it. So this has actually taught me a lot. See, YouTube is not just about being consistent. It's about you being strategically in what you are doing, in your thumbnail, in your title, in the way you talk, the hooks you use in grabbing your audience attention. All these things actually matter on this YouTube street than even being more consistent. Okay, so I want to leave you all with this question. Is uploading every day really worth it? Like, do you think posting video every single day or being consistent really worth it? Please, you can leave the answer in the comment section. As for me, I can say uploading every day actually help. Okay, because I've actually seen a massive turn up on my YouTube studio. I'm not joking about it, guys. I've really seen that the views, the watch hours. Let me even talk about my subscribers. All right, let me take you to my TubeBuddy. In TubeBuddy, in every milestone that you've come across, they are going to send you a message. Congratulations, you've reached a particular milestone, and you know what you are doing, right? Let me even take you to my TubeBuddy for you to see how my subscribers actually skyrocketed. All right. So let's just wait for it to actually come up. All right. So I think it's still loading. It's been a while I actually opened this. Let's just give it a little time. Okay, it's still loading, guys. It's still loading. Okay, it's still loading. Oh. So let's look at the milestone here. See, I want you guys to know something here. Okay, you can see I reached my 230 subscribers. Sorry, 230 subscribers 3 days ago. All right, and it took me just 3 days. Sorry, 6 days ago. It took me, that was October 10. Then it took me October 11, October 12, October 13, just 3 days to get three more extra subscribers. Guys, isn't this amazing? So you can see from this period of my subscribers, then see when I had my 220 subscribers 2 weeks ago, I had my 210 subscribers 3 weeks ago, I had my 200 subscribers 3 weeks ago. Okay, I have my 190 subscribers. These are the milestone, right? So you can see all of this stuff like that. Then you can actually see posting consistently is actually good, but make sure you are giving value, not just by hitting that subscribe button and you're uploading a video or you're filming yourself. Please bring value to the table. If you can check out those my video, I make sure it's valued packed. I make sure I don't just post because of posting sake. I make sure I make sure I offer value to people that will come across my channel, at least for the very first time. What will actually prompt them to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so actually I want to embark on posting every day for 30 days, that is 1 month. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to embark on this journey with me, and let's see how we do it, guys. It's actually very amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to embark on the journey with me. Just say I'm ready in the comment section, then I'm going to tell you how you can connect, how you can contact me. Let's do it together, and trust me, by the end of that 30 days we are going to see a massive views, a massive turn up on our YouTube channel, and we will come back for more tutorial that is more better than this. That is the end of this very particular video. Posting every day is good, but then bring value to the table. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that I get updated whenever I upload a new video like this. Bye, guys, and I'm going to see you in the next video.